What's up, my viewers? I just came up with a new intro. So tonight, actually, I'm going to test out this ball that I got, and it says that it won't make any noise when you dribble it like inside of the house because it's like a ball for inside. And I think we'll test that out. Okay, see you in a second. Okay, guys, I think it's time to finally test the ball. Let me get something to hold the phone. Okay, guys, let's see. Tell me if you hear anything. Dude, I barely heard anything. Do you hear anything? Man, it's amazing. How do they do that? Wow. I did search up how it doesn't make that much sound. It's because it's made out of foam. And foam doesn't make that much sound when it goes on the ground. So, that's the science behind it. And the cool thing is that when you get it, it's like flat, like for the foam, and then it just starts to inflate slowly. It's really cool. It makes some noise, but it's not a scam. You can literally go on Amazon and it will be like $10. All you gotta search up is like basketball with no noise when you bounce it, something like that. And it's just made out of foam. It is kind of crazy. I had to wait a whole day for it to get inflated, but it still works. All right, guys, stay tuned.